students, in the last class we have studied different type of sets. Today we will study a new topic, that is subset. From the word itself it is clear. Subset. Definition is a set A is said to be subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B. That means if all elements of A are in B, we can say that A is subset of B. That is, we can denote by A, is simple, A subset of B. Okay, A subset of B means all elements of A are in B. Otherwise, A subset of B if A belongs to A, then A belongs to B. Means if A is an element of A, then that A should be an element of B. Then we can say that A is subset of B. For example, suppose A equal to set 1, 2, 3, which contains 3 elements, and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we can say that A is subset of B because all elements of A are in B. Therefore, A is subset of B. What about B and A? B is not a subset of A because 5 belongs to B, but 5 does not belong to A. So A is subset of B if all elements of A are in B. Here you have to note down something. First point, A. Suppose A is any set, then A is subset of A itself, right? Because all elements of A are in A. Second one is null set. Null set is subset of every set because null set contains no element. So generally null set is subset of every set. Third point, if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then what can we say about A and B? So A subset of B and B subset of A is possible only if A is equal to B. That means if A subset of B and B subset of A, then we can say that A is equal to B. Now we can do some problems. Fill in the blanks by using the symbol subset or not a subset. This one is not a subset. First question. Set of all x equal to 2n, where n belongs to Z. That means all even integers. Even integers are 0, 2, 4, 8, etc. Then minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, etc. And right hand side is set of all x belongs to Z. That means all integers. Here all even integers. This one is all integers. Clearly all even integers are integers only. That means all elements of this set are in this set also. So actually left hand side is subset of right hand side. Okay. Now second one, set of all x is a triangle. Set of all x is a polygon. Polygon means all kinds of closed figures. This one is a particular figure, that means polygon with 3 sides. Okay. So clearly set of all triangle is subset of cluster of all polygons. Third question, set of all x is a circle, means all kinds of circles. Okay. Now right hand side is set of all x is a circle with radius 1. A particular type of circle only, radius 1. That means left hand side is subset of right hand side or not. Left hand side is not a subset of right hand side because it contains all kinds of circles. Suppose a circle with radius 2 is not there in right hand side. Actually right hand side is subset to left hand side. Okay. Now fourth one, set of all x 2 less than x less than 5, x belongs to n. That means all natural numbers between 2 and 5, 3 and 4. Right hand side, set of all x 1 less than x less than 8, x belongs to n. Means all natural numbers between 1 and 8, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clearly left hand side is subset of right. Okay. Now consider another question. Fill in the blanks by using symbols belongs to or subset. Actually belongs to is used for comparing an element and a set. Okay. And subset used for comparing two sets. Now consider first question. 3 belongs to or subset. Actually 3 is an element of this set. So 3 belongs to. Okay. Now second one. This one is set. Set which contain one element, that is 3. That same element is there in right hand side also. So it means this set is subset of right hand side. So it is subset, not belongs to. Now third one, set which contain two elements. Both elements are there in right hand side also. So it is subset. Now consider fourth question. Set 1. Now consider right hand side. Here set 1 is an element. So element belongs to, should be belongs to. What about this one? The set which contain one element. Now fifth one, left hand side is one set which contains one element, that is set 1. Element is set 1. The same element is there in right hand side. Set 1 is an element, right hand side also. So this one is subset. So don't confuse with belongs to and subset. Okay. We can relate number system by using subset. And natural numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. So n is subset of w. Okay. All whole numbers are integers. W is subset of integers. And all integers are rational numbers. Okay. Q. And T is another set of all irrational numbers. T is subset of R, real numbers. Q is subset of R. Clear? What about N and T? All natural numbers are irrational numbers or not? All natural numbers are not irrational numbers. So N is not a subset of T. Okay. Next topic, that is interval of R. How we can represent subset of real numbers? We cannot list all elements. Suppose you want to write all real numbers between 2 and 3. It is not possible because 2, 2.1, 2.01, all those numbers we cannot list separately. So we have to apply some other method. For that we are using intervals. Okay. Now, suppose A, B belongs to R. A and B are two real numbers and A less than B. Then set of all x says that x belongs to R and A less than x less than B. Means all real numbers between A and B excluding A and B is called open interval, which is denoted by open interval from A to B. That is notation. On number line we can represent open interval as in this way. Suppose this is a number line. This point is A, this one is B. You have to mark like this. Two small circles and you have to join two small circles. Open interval from A to B. Now next one, set of all x. X belongs to R and A less than or equal to x. Less than or equal to B. Okay. That means all real numbers between A and B including A and B. Starting point is A and end point is B. This one is closed interval. That is denoted by closed interval from A to B. On number line, which can be represented in this form, 2 points A, B. You have to draw two small circles and you have to shade two circles. You have to shade and you have to join these two circles. Now, next form is set of all x. X belongs to R and A less than x less than or equal to B. Means all real numbers between A and B excluding A and including B. That is called half open or half closed interval. This side is open and this side is closed. Half open interval. This one you can represent on a number line in this way. A, B, small circles. This side is open and this side it is closed. So this circle you have to shade. So last form. Set of all x. X belongs to R. A less than or x less than B. So also half open. This side is closed, which is denoted by half open interval from A to B. On a number line, we can represent in this way. Okay, this side you have to shade, this circle you have to shade. You have to join two circles. So this one is open interval, and this is closed closed interval. This is half open or half closed. Now we can do some questions. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Okay, set builder form. So 3, 5 is open interval from 3 to 5. Set of all x. All real numbers between 3 and 5. Right? X belongs to R and 3 less than x less than 5. All real numbers between 3 and 5. Now this one is half closed or half open. Set of all x. X belongs to R and 5 less than or equal to x less than 8. That is half open. And this one is closed. Set of all x. X belongs to R and 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. How we can represent this one on a number line? So you have to draw like this. You can just mark 3, 9. Okay. Then 2 small circles. Since it is closed, you have to shade circles and you have to join 2 circles. Okay. And this one we can represent on number line as, you can mark like this, 5, 8. So this side is closed. So you have to shade. This side is open. Now you have to join these 2 circles. Okay. What about first question? Open. No? So 3, 5, 2 circles. You have to join 2 circles. On a number line, we can represent in this way. Another set of questions. Here you have to represent following set by using intervals. What about first question? All real numbers between -3 and 9, excluding -3 and 9. That is open interval. Open interval -3 to 9. Second one, all real numbers between 3 and 5, excluding 3, including 5. Half open, 3, and the set is closed. Okay. Now third one, all real numbers greater than 5. How we can represent all real numbers greater than 5? So the set it is closed up to infinity. So we can write infinity here. So this side will be always open. Okay, because infinity is not an end. And fourth one, set of all x. X belongs to R. X less than 3. All real numbers less than 3. All real numbers less than 3 means 3 up to minus infinity. So minus infinity to 3. This side it is open. Now next topic, that is power set. The collection of all subsets of a set A is called power set of A. Collection of all subsets of a set A is called power set of A and is denoted by P of A. P of A is a set whose elements are all subsets of A. Okay, for example, A equal to set 1, 2. We want to write P of A means power set of A. So it is a set whose elements are all subsets of set 1, 2. First subset is null set because null set is subset of every set. Then we can write set 1, set containing one element. Set 1 is clearly subset of set 1, 2. Then set 2. Then set containing two elements, that is set 1, 2, that is same set A itself. So all these are subsets of A. So P of A contains 4 elements, that is null set, set 1, set 2 and set 1, 2. We can do one more question. Suppose A equal to set A, B, C. Write P of A. P of A equal to null set, first one. Then set containing one element, that is set A, set B. Set B is subset of ABC. Set C. Then set containing two elements we can write, that is set AB, set BC. Okay. Then set AC. Then one more element is there, that set containing ABC. That means same set A. You can write A as one element. So this P of A contains 8 elements. Here you can form one formula. If n of A equal to, what is n of P of A? N of P of A means number of elements in power set. That is 4. 4 elements are there. If n of A equal to 3, if n of A equal to 3, what about n of P of A? number of elements in P of A. Here we have 8 elements. 8 elements means actually it is 2 raised to 3. 4 is 2 square. In general, if n of A equal to P, then what about n of P of A? Number of elements in power set of A is equal to 2 raised to P. That is the answer. One more topic, that is universal set. A set that contains all elements under consideration in a given problem is called universal set. That means that is superset of all the given sets. Okay. For example, A equal to you have A equal to one set 1 2, B equal to another set 2 3. Suppose one more set is there, C equal to 2 3 4 5. We want to write universal set for all these sets. Actually, universal set is denoted by the letter U. Okay, U can be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Otherwise, it can be N. It can be set. This is the biggest set which contains all these elements. Okay. So today we have studied what is subset and how to represent a subset of real numbers by using open interval, closed interval, power set and universal set. Okay. So today we can conclude this section. Thank you.